the market's still kind of a little bit in indecision, yet bullishly postured. So what I'm thinking is most likely, and I'll just run a couple scenarios out at you. What I think is most likely is the NASDAQ tries to tag its previous all-time highs and probably rolls over there. I don't think the down move is going to be anything spectacular. I think it'll just be a move back down, test the 7,000 area, but likely to roll up into there and then kind of back off a little bit. That will bring the Dow probably into this previous level here around 25,000 for a retest. That would bring the SPX for a mild breakout, which would probably fail. I think it's going to have a mild breakout, fail that area, and probably drop back into range here, probably holding a trend line if you were to draw something similar to this, right? So a minor breakout, fail, and then eventually grind higher. I think I'm still longer term bullish. There's really nothing as far as news that's going to kick us back.